In 2021, the Chicago Park District continued to provide world-class service to Chicagoans in every neighborhood. The path was paved this year for a full return to the programs and services that all of Chicago loves and relies on. And we followed that path, carefully, cautiously, yet enthusiastically. Through the challenges of the pandemic, we kept Chicagoans connected to their parks through access to natural areas, virtual classes, tours, and countless other programs. And as we have carefully reopened, the Park District has worked hard to thoughtfully engage Chicago residents with the staple programs that have served generations: summer day camp, park kids, senior activities, special recreation, and many others. We are proud to say that over 99% of Chicago residents live within a 10-minute walk of a park or open space. Families across the city deserve access to world-class facilities and award-winning programming, and we are committed to meeting that need. As we collectively move toward a return to full capacity across all park programs, staff at the Chicago Park District look forward to continuing to serve Chicago's 77 communities selflessly and safely. We are proud to serve Chicago, and we cannot wait to welcome all Chicago residents in the coming year. The Chicago Park District looks forward to providing you and your families with access to hundreds of beautiful parks, thousands of quality programs, and endless opportunities to enjoy.
On behalf of the Chicago Park District team,
Happy holidays!
¡Feliz Navidad! De parte del Distrito de Parques, felices fiestas.
From the Chicago Park District, happy holidays.